Commission ya ithurano na mĩhaka IEBC itanĩrĩire gũtigwo ũtheri wa gĩturwa kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Garissa Township thutha wa kwamũrwo kwa mũbunge wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ Aden Duale ta mĩnĩsta wa ũgitĩri wa mĩhaka. Athuri a itũra nĩ manjĩrĩirie kwandĩkithia marĩtwa ma arĩa magĩrĩire gĩturwa-inĩ gĩkĩ. Mũhĩrĩga wa Aden Care nĩ wambĩrĩirie mĩbango ya kwarĩra mĩtaratara ya kũigĩrĩra ratiri-inĩ amwe arĩa meyumĩrĩtie kũhũranĩra gĩturwa kĩu. Mĩhĩrĩga ĩngĩ ĩrĩa ĩrĩkĩtie kũrekereria nĩ hamwe na Nasil Doral na Faisal Amin.
We have unanimously endorsed that Muhammad Noor Abdi Qadir Hussein Shakul as our aspirant in Garissa Township in the coming by-election. We have only Muhammad Noor Abdi Qadir Hussein Shakul as our candidate from this community. We will go ahead, we will continue our campaign. We will present our candidate to Aulihan. We will present our candidate to Ogaden. We will present our community to other Somalis and others who are this Garissa Township.
A fresh blood for Garissa Township leadership. That is Muhammad Noor, someone who is well conversant with the hustler needs. He knows the plight of the youth, Mama Mboga, watu ya boda boda, na kila mtu. This is time for fresh leadership.
And I will still consult the Garissa people and ask for their support and for their votes. So that's the thing, and this is the time for the youth. We are saying ever forward, never backwards for the youth. This is our time. We should take it.